Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to add a signature in Google Docs. Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my laptop I just opened Google Docs and I have my joining letter over here. So I just want to add the e-signature, that is digital signature. So on top you will find a menu bar. Just click insert menu and you will get an option called drawing. Once you click the drawing, there will be a new and from drive will be there. So I just want to select the new. So once I select the new, so I just want to scribble the e-signature. What I have to do here, so in your drawing there will be a line option will be there. On your line option, just hit the button, you will get an option called scribble. Once you select the scribble option, there will be a cursor will be in a plus mark. So just draw your signature. So I have drawn my signature over here. This is my signature. So if you want to give the thickness, if you want to add the thickness, just click the cursor and make the signature will be in thickness and everything. So I just select entire signature. So here there will be a signature thickness and signature colors, everything will be there. Just select the thickness in line weight and choose 3 points. And if you want to change different colors, for example I just want to choose some blue color or any other colors you can choose, or you want to have gray color, you can have that. So just click save and close. Automatically your signature will be added over here as you see here. So I just want to reduce this signature size. Just select on the signature and you can reduce the size of your signature. So as you see here, so your signature will be fixed in your docs. So I just want to move, or I just want to reduce the size of my signature. It will be scale according to your need. If you want to edit your signature, just click the edit option and you can edit your signature. For example, you don't get put a proper signature over there, so I just want to delete, and I just want to scribble and I can add over there. So whatever model you want, you can add and have access, so that your signature will be added clearly in your docs. So this is a beautiful option. While you want to insert the signature, you don't have to scan and insert, just scribble and insert in your Google Docs. So if you want your signature to be perfectly alright and perfectly split, means just insert and just scan your image and insert your image as a signature. So I can edit my signature over here. So this is a beautiful option. I can insert my signature using my Google Docs to submit for my any other letter or any other e-documents. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.